Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, you're not alone. Today, I want to share with you a simple 5-minute routine that will calm your mind instantly. Trust me, you're going to love it. First off, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. It could be a cozy corner in your home or even your car. The key is to make sure it's somewhere you feel comfortable. Ready? Let's begin. Step 1. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Do this 3 times. Feel the tension start to melt away with each breath. Step 2. Now, visualize a peaceful place. It could be a serene beach, a calm forest, or even your own backyard. Picture it vividly in your mind. Notice the colors, the sounds, the scents. Immerse yourself in this tranquil setting. Step 3. Let's do a quick body scan. Start at the top of your head and slowly work your way down to your toes. Notice any areas where you're holding tension and consciously relax those muscles. Imagine a warm, soothing light flowing through your body, releasing all the stress. Step 4. Focus on your senses. What can you hear right now? The gentle hum of a fan, birds chirping outside, maybe even the distant sound of traffic. Just listen without judgment. Next, pay attention to any smells around you. Perhaps it's the aroma of a cup of tea or the fresh scent of a candle. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. Step 5. End with positive affirmations. Silently repeat to yourself, I am calm. I am in control. I am at peace. Feel the weight lifting from your shoulders as you embrace these affirmations. And that's it. Open your eyes and take one last deep breath. Notice how much more relaxed and centered you feel. Remember, this routine is always here for you whenever you need a quick mental reset. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more calming tips and routines. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.